Recognize and read the words with short O sound. Hello kids! I hope you are happy and excited to learn. I am your reading teacher, Teacher Joy. Today, you're able to recognize and read the words with short O sound. Come on, let's read and learn. Look at this picture. What do you see? Correct! It is a frog. Have you ever wondered where the frog came from? Oh, it sounds interesting, right kids? Today, we will read a story, The Frog. Before we begin, let's unlock first some difficult words. Together, let's read. First word, change. Look at the picture. Change means make different or become different. Second word, grow. Read the sentence. The tadpoles grow and turn into froglets. Grow means become larger or greater. Third word, slowly. Look at the video clip. Slowly means at low speed or not quickly. Good job, kids! I hope you understand the difficult words in our story. Now, it's story time! The Frog. One cold night, the frog went to the pond. The frog jumped on the log and hopped into rock. The frog laid its eggs into the pond. The eggs grew slowly and turned into tadpoles. The tadpoles grew day by day and changed into little froglets. The froglets became frogs. The frogs loved to swim, hop and jump. The frogs can hop and jump onto land into pond. Now this time, kids, let us answer the following questions. First question, what did the frog do into the pond? The answer is the frog laid its eggs into the pond. Second question, where did the frog lay its eggs? The answer is it laid its eggs into the pond. Third question. What happened when the eggs grew? The answer is the eggs grew and turned into tadpoles. Fourth question. What happened next after they turned into tadpoles? The answer is the tadpoles grew and changed into little froglets. Fifth question. What happened next after they turned into froglets? The answer is the froglets became frogs. Sixth question. What was the story all about? The answer is the life cycle of the frog. Good job, kids! I hope you got them right. Look at the following words with short O sound. Here are the words with short O sounded as a that we can find in the story we read. Together, let's read and learn. Frog. It's your turn to read. Frog. Very good. Let's proceed. Rock. It's your turn. Rock. Very good. Let's proceed. Log. Now it's your turn. Log. Excellent. Let's proceed to the next word. Froglets. It's your turn. Froglets. Very good. Let's proceed. Pond. Now it's your turn. Pond. Very good. Let's proceed to our last word. Hop. It's your turn. Hop. Good job, kids. Again, let us read all the words with short A vowel sound. Frog. Rock. Log. Hop. Pond. Froglets. Very good. This time, kids, let's read some words with short O sounded as A. Bob. Mob. Cob. Fog. Jog. Cop. Top. Got. Lot. Lock. Sock. Dock. Good job, kids! Remember, there are words with letter O whose sounds are short O. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our reading session for today. Again, this is Teacher Joy. Till the next reading episode, goodbye and God bless.